The light sinks slowly. The sea stretches out its final reflections, and orange, crimson, and violet hues wash over the rusted bones of Kronos, where once the chimneys breathed fire, and the day began with the scream of a whistle. The bricks sag, the windows stand hollow, like tired eyes that have seen too much. The dust is not merely dust, it is the silence of voices that once labored here, the sweat and laughter, the breath of those who believed that fire could be turned into bread and hope. And a little further stands Iris. Its chimney, a slender column of memory, points toward a sky that no longer smokes. Here once colors were born, paints for ships, for houses, for dreams that smelled of turpentine and life. Iris still stands, not to work, but to remember. Workers, refugees, youth, women stood here beside the sea, beside machines that growled and sang in unison. The city pulsed to their rhythm, and the sea carried away the ripples of their hopes. The sunset sinks slowly into the edge of the water. Crimson fades, orange dissolves, and the shadows climb the walls, weaving the first veil of night. As the day ends, so do eras fade, the silent machines, the vanished voices, the empty streets that once overflowed with life. Yet memory lingers. In the cracked walls, in the shattered windows staring at nothing, in the chimneys that stand tall, no longer to labor, but to speak to those who still know how to listen. And perhaps, one day, when night yields again to light, these corridors will echo with voices once more, laughter will cling to the beams, and Iris and Kronos will return to life, not as ruins, but as a promise. Until then, they remain, silent witnesses of a time that slipped away, as surely as the last light sinks beyond the horizon.